Tracfone group texts often fail due to MMS issues, APN settings, and network limitations. Tracfone uses Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile networks, so compatibility varies. Tracfone relies on these major networks, which can cause compatibility issues with group messaging protocols. First, ensure MMS is enabled on your phone. For Android, it's usually in your messaging app settings. For iPhones, check Settings, Messages, MMS Messaging. Then, restart your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. If problems persist, check your data plan. MMS needs data. Finally, verify your APN settings if using Android, as incorrect settings block MMS. If these quick fixes don't work, proceed to the next section for more detailed troubleshooting. For Android devices, manually configure your access point name settings. Start by accessing your mobile network settings. Find Tracfone-specific APN settings online by searching Tracfone APN settings, followed by your carrier like Verizon. Enter the settings including APN, MMSC URL, and proxy. For iPhones, reset your network settings to fix MMS issues. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Consider enabling rich communication services for more reliable messaging. On Verizon-based Tracfone with Google Messages, go to App Settings and enable RCS chats. If all steps fail, contact Tracfone support for personalized help with SIM-specific tweaks.